Hi guys, this is Irene of Fourth Impact. Welcome to my mini vlog. And today we are on the way going to New York because we will be part of the Philippine Independence Day celebration na gaganapin sa Madison Avenue. So, kakanta kami para sa Philippine Independence Day na gaganapin sa New York. Every year, meron silang celebration, big celebration, and this is our second time. So, thank you so much to PIDC for having us again. And actually, this year, nag-volunteer kami para mag-perform. Kasi it's also Papa Doming's first time na makita kami live na mag-perform sa ibang bansa.
So we're here now, Salina. We arrived at the airport here in New Jersey. Then we're gonna drive going to New York. Yay! The flight is so shaky. There's a lot of turbulence. Nakakatakot yung flight kanina pero okay lang. Let's go. Kunin na natin yung mga luggage natin.
Ayan. So, and also, makikita rin namin ang Beanie and si Sir Martin and the voice winner, si Kuya Sofronio, will be there too. So, excited na ba kayo guys sa aming pagkikita-kita? Parang reunion ang mangyayari. So, abangan ninyo yung vlog namin.
Ate, wako mga... Ano? Day 1 here in New York. I am in front of Empire State Building here in New York.